Omuhandiiki mukuru ow'ekigombe kya NRM Richard Todong yahamya ko President arikuburayo mbare yonka okuhendera campaign ze na bwanyuma ategereze olwakana ahizooba ry'okuteera Akaruuru.
The President is going to Acholi sub-region to meet all the leaders of Acholi sub-region the same way. Tomorrow he will be in Busoga sub-region to meet the leaders of Busoga in Iganga district, and thereafter on Monday he will proceed to Kasese for wrap-up rally in the two constituencies in Kasese.
Omukugamba kwe President yashobora kwa myaka 40 eyasya omu butegetsi akinegiza obusinge.
Now that's why NRM says from the 60s, because politics in Uganda had failed.
Edazili kalia alfa turoro mekalia zedribe tio daza Uganda re eda ni andrara.
This boy here, the one who is speaking, his grandfather was my friend.
Mva eonze pidi mabi ni andra magini.
Gasper Oda
ni andra magini.
I was with him in DP.
Amandre rebetuelo party banonve DP ro Democratic Party.
But to find out how he died.
Te Remadra
and others.
As in DP.
Martin Okelo MP, the MP for Nebi area.
Martin Okelo, under member of parliament to Nebi area.
There was even a boy who had come up with Valentino Chima.
Was even under Chief Valentino Chima in Mukianda Minebe.
All of those died very badly.
Draki Giriazibanicho Titako Denise.
Ondoga, the foreign minister.
Ondoga under foreign minister Rudipie.
All of them. Terrible.
Draze warone.
What was the poison?
Inyata ine odrazore adone.
This rubbish about sectarianism.
O koronya opendo ni de.
Of who you are, not what you do.
Miadi ite ovuni miadi yareko.
Museveni yashobora hanshonga eyakatare akamahanga agatwetorire nuko kuhereza necho kureberaho ahari President wa America Donald Trump obinjere endugamahanga owabo President yamwebariza arikugira ngo eki nkija kuyambaho Africa okwegarukamo okukwatara hamwe no kuretaho entunguka eya hamwe.
You can say like Mr. Trump. I like Mr. Trump so much myself.
President America Trump rida echetasi ale resaro.
He has said, don't come here now to America.
Kini le bazime badipa America do ako.
I said, thank you so much for chasing those wanderers.
Akina odi for minimale pi mpirale de odro firisi.
What are they going to do in America?
Afandinga ini muyarale re adoni.
I don't want to go anywhere. I am here. Where are you going?
Ma do afandima ni muyarale re adoni.
So I love Trump.
Ale Trump ni saro yerin yedebe.
For chasing you. People who don't care about their country, they always go all over the place. So this teaches you that you build your own capacity. Within Uganda, within Africa. So this is the belief of the NRM. We said rubbish. Don't tell us about those tribes, religion. Yes, those are your private matters, but for the common good, love Uganda, love Africa.
President Museveni najirangwe kiro kumuteganisa n'abanya-Uganda abaceremire omubworo obwo babaterireho emishomo okubegyesa no kubahereza esente ezo kubatungura.
It is your personal poverty
and
private, not mine. Don't include me. If you are poor, please. That's yours now. So that's why we say, please. Don't sleep and be diverted. Tarmac roads, what? Okay, those are good, but what's happening in your house?
Ogu hine bingi ebiyabashomesa ebirukwija kukorwa hamwe no kwera ihanga okutunguka.
We said if you have 4 acres, please put 1 acre under coffee.
Eka kazu eka lore eba kawane.
Another acre under fruits.
Eka ziri patifi mezadike.
another acre under pasture for dairy cows,
eka ziri iribi tile sufepidine,
another acre for food crop for the family.
Eka ziri de family mati ondazo nyakane.
In the backyard, you put poultry for eggs.
Joma ngukwarale mivine au matamba ubwenende.
You put piggery if you are not a Muslim.
Eka Islamu wane ko mivine nguruwe matamba ende.
And if you are near the water, you make fish ponds.
President yahendera kworeka oku Uganda etachetenga omuntu wena okujiyambaho omu byokwerinda ahabwo kuba neyemarira. Amakuru aga gashakwa Ram Edwin ahabwa TV West.
I want to take this chance to recognize the woman member of Parliament.